na. 10 minutes to dry my hair and straight at the same time. Oh my God, hindi pa siya mahulog. Ano ba? Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Kati again, ang lola nyo. And for today's video, another unboxing na naman ang lola nyo. So anyway, this is Dyson AirStrait that I ordered from Dyson. So, wag na natin patagalin. Let's do the unboxing and just for you guys to see. And this is the packaging nitong AirStrait. This is the box. And it says Dyson AirStrait. Oh, ayan siya guys, diba? Ito na nga guys, aaliw lang ako dito. So anyway, let's open this. Nanginginig po ang lola niya. Sobrang talas nitong knife na to. Ayan na nga siya guys. Ano bukas? Oh my God guys, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. A 1, a 2, a 3. OMG. This is so cute guys. Oh, look at this Dyson. Super nice niya guys. Ito guys. Oh my God, it is very light guys, very light, super light nito. Actually, when I got the box, guess what? This is so heavy, I couldn't even carry it to my car. And look at this right now. I am really doing the unboxing. Oh my God, what are these? And I think these are all. Oh, I know why it was heavy. This is the heavy part. Just because this is not rechargeable. This is not a wireless one. So it comes with this kind of, yan yung kanyang pang-plug sabon sa outlet. And for this one, because you know what guys, I was watching the review and some of the reviews are, they said not worth it. So I'm hoping I will like this because I want to keep this item. You know, this item actually is not cheap. I got it for $499 plus tax. So it came out to be $547. Ang saya lang nito. And I think the instructions, yung kapapalan, yung babasahin, I think it's inside here. Oh, this is the, ito yung kanyang pads for when you're not using it. So you put it like that. And so, oh my God guys, look at this. This is so cute. Look at that guys. Super ganda niya. And ayan na yung mga button niya. Actually, the problem with me, I don't like reading the manual. But then anyway, kaya natin to. Kaya natin to. See? This is where you open this. This is the lock button. And this is the power button here. On the bottom. And see? Oh, I need to do the setting. This one you press the setting and then you choose English. And then the check right there. And then I chose English. And then the temperature setting, you need to choose this. And then set get the power button. This is good. And this is for red hair. And it says 285 degrees. Oh my God, this is so, oh, this is hot. I want it cold. See, you press a code, the blue one, and then you close like that. Oh my god! This is so cute! Hindi siya ganun kalakas. Actually, they said if you rest it here, it will stop. Oh, diba? Automatic siya. If you don't use it, you put it on the mat, it will stop working. And so this is button here is for the fan, the blower. If you want it low or high. Ito na yung highest niya. And this is the highest air ever. Diba? I'm going to wet this side and see what's gonna happen. So, I'll be back. Actually guys, I wet, I think, 1/4 of my hair. And actually guys, I tried this morning with a regular blow dryer. And yan yung kinalabasan niya. Ayan, pero medyo wavy na siya. And for that, eto na yung wet hair ko. Which is my normal hair. Pag wet siya. And so, itatry ko lang kung super straight pa niya. And on how many times I need to pass my hair to get dry with this AirStrait. So, anyway, let me turn it on. And it's on a cleaning mode. And it says this is for wet. And so, I am going to get a little bit of my hair. And put it. Alam nyo guys, I can smell the shampoo habang wet ito. And you know what guys, I noticed yung mga water, nagdi-drip siya sa bottom. So medyo nababasa ako. And for this, sabi nila, you can actually dry the strand looking like this. And then, sa akin, guys, wala sa akin yung mga section eh. Dapat nga siguro talaga isa-section yung hair. So wait, let me just get something. Ano na lang yung kailangan kong i-section. This side right here is still wet. And so, super. Tingnan niyo siya guys. Is there any difference? Ito yung side na. Look at this. See? Ito yung treated. Not actually treated. Ito yung with the AirStrait. Super smooth siya. And this is my regular one. This is just using a blow dryer. So, super nice. I think I'm going to love this. Guys, kidding aside. Ayan naman oh. Kita nyo naman diba? I wet my hair. And then I use this. And look at that. Shiny and soft guys. Tama nga yung balita. Tama nga yung balita. I think this is worth it. I mean, it's pricey because it's $499. Pero, sila lang kasi gumawa ng ganito eh. So, why not, diba? Pero guys, so super soft. So, tomorrow morning, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to dry my hair using this. And, since my hair is actually keratin treated a month ago, but then, every time I dry my hair with a blower, with a blow dryer, my hair usually is always wavy, you know. Kaya hindi ko na siya type every morning that I'm going to work that my hair is kinda all over the place. So, I think with this one, if I dry my hair, look at that guys. Look. is so amazing. I love it. So, anyway, ayun lang yung aking first impression. Unboxing nitong AirStrait dryer na to. Ano ba to? AirStrait straightener. Hindi ko alam eh. Basta, yun na yun. It will dry your hair and it will get straight at the same time while drying it. Oh, tama ba? So, bahala na kayo anyway. This is the AirStrait Dyson. And the only problem on this one, they don't have a case for these ones if you want to carry it. Ayun na guys. So, tomorrow I'm gonna go do the actual testing of this Dyson AirStrait. So, until tomorrow. Bye guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys. Good morning. O, ayan na nga yung lola nyo. I'm going to try this new Dyson AirStrait. So, we'll see if I'm going to like it or not. And if not, I'm going to return this. And kung nagustuhan ko, I am going to keep this. So, yun na nga siya guys. So, eto na yung kanyang release button. And, I already plug it sa wall. And, eto na yung kanyang button. And, right now, ayan, nakaano na siya ng wet daw. So, ayun. Pero, before that, I just wanna know kung how many minutes ba matutuyo. So, for that, I got my other phone. So, lalagyan natin siya ng timer. There is the timer. There, 00. Pero, like what I said, you need to section your hair. In 4 section daw. Ano ba? Why? I don't really section my hair like that. Maybe I do my way. Like this. And I can only have a few hair. Okay, so let's start. And I'm going to hit the start button. I'm going to start right now. So, as you can see down, and I have my the fan in high. So medyo maingay siya. Ito nagdadry na siya. Ano na siya guys? What do you think of my hair? And you know why? Because I cannot really reach that good. So, don't worry, hindi ako mumuha. Baka kala niya sa dako na ako. You know what yung feeling? There's no brush or anything, but when you pass it through your hair, as if there's like a brush. Amazing. Diba? And maybe at this time, I can move it down to 175 degrees. I think 175 degrees for me is way better, so it won't be that hot. In the beginning, I think I had it for 285, the highest setting. And I didn't check it, but there's a setting to be 175. So I think 175 will be perfect for my hair. So I will have. And also, you see what happened to my hair? It went up just because I put the blower upwards. And so, if you guys want to use this thing, make sure the blower is downwards. So, just like this. And boom. It's perfect. It's so cool. Well, actually, guys, my hair is already dry. And let's put this down. Don't know what happened to my timer. And there. 10 minutes. And that's including my talking and everything. So, yan na yung aking timer. So, what do you think of my hair? Let me look. Wow, it's so straight. I love it. Tingnan nyo guys. Actually, I didn't put anything on my hair before drying. I just shampoo, conditioner my hair, and then dry it. And using, ayan, I dried it, and then I used this Dyson AirStrait. And look at my hair, guys. It looks amazing. I love it. I think I'm going to keep this. I'm happy with this because I can only order this actually in their website. If you buy this outside, you're going to get only the stainless color or the silver, and with this color, like the chrome color. So they're not gonna have any blue out there. So only on Dyson.com. So yun lang guys. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you guys like my hair kasi I love it. So yun lang guys. Super amazing. So I am very happy with this item. Worth it ba to? For me, probably yes, because I love having straight hair every day, and I go to work every day, and I go gala every weekend. So yun, ano siya, okay siya guys, okay siya. So for those who wants to buy this, I am really recommending this item. So bahala kayo. I know it's expensive, but it's up to you. So yun lang guys, until next one, until my next video. Thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye guys. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.